Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest insights and tips on health and wellness. In this video, we'll be discussing the link between your diet and eye health, and how making healthy dietary choices can help you maintain good vision and prevent eye diseases. Our eyes are one of the most important and complex organs in our body. They allow us to see and perceive the world around us, making it crucial to take good care of them. While regular eye exams and proper eyewear are important, many people overlook the impact that their diet can have on their eye health. In this video, we'll explore the link between diet and eye health and how making healthy dietary choices can help maintain good vision and prevent eye diseases. The importance of good nutrition for eye health. The eyes require certain vitamins and minerals to function properly and maintain good health. Two of the most important are vitamin A and beta-carotene, which are essential for maintaining good night vision and preventing dry eyes. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids are important for maintaining the health of the retina and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Studies have also found that consuming a diet high in antioxidants, such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and zinc, can reduce the risk of developing cataracts and slow the progression of AMD. Foods for healthy eyes. To maintain good eye health, it is important to consume a diet rich in the nutrients and antioxidants mentioned above. Some of the best foods for eye health include leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, which are important for maintaining good eye health. Carrots. Carrots are high in beta-carotene, which is essential for good night vision and preventing dry eyes. Fish. Fatty fish like salmon and tuna are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for maintaining the health of the retina and reducing the risk of AMD. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are high in vitamin E and other antioxidants, which can reduce the risk of cataracts and slow the progression of AMD. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits are high in vitamin C, which is an important antioxidant that can reduce the risk of cataracts and slow the progression of AMD. Dietary choices to avoid. Just as there are certain foods that are beneficial for eye health, there are also foods and dietary habits that can harm the eyes. Some of the key dietary choices to avoid include processed foods. Processed foods are often high in sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats, all of which can contribute to poor eye health. Trans fats. Trans fats are commonly found in fried foods, baked goods, and other processed foods, and have been linked to an increased risk of AMD. High glycemic foods. Foods that are high on the glycemic index, such as white bread and sugary snacks, can cause spikes in blood sugar levels that can damage the eyes over time. Excessive alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to a variety of eye problems, including dry eyes and vision problems. Maintaining good eye health requires a combination of regular eye exams, proper eyewear, and a healthy diet. By consuming a diet rich in the nutrients and antioxidants that support eye health, and avoiding the dietary habits that can harm the eyes, you can help prevent eye diseases and maintain good vision for years to come. As always, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes or starting any new supplement regimen. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more health and wellness content. And remember, maintaining good eye health requires a combination of regular eye exams, proper eyewear, and a healthy diet. So be sure to eat your leafy greens and other eye-healthy foods, and consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes or starting any new supplement regimen.